How to play Roblox on Windows 7. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you just a bit of steps for you to be able to still play if you're running with Windows 7. Now the very first thing that you want to do is to check the current system configuration that you have in your Windows 7. Just go into the Windows icon here or the Windows search and type in system and then choose on system information. Now, under System Summary, just go into the system type, and if you're currently using the x64 based PC, just have to close this first. And then create a new tab on your browser and type in Windows 7 Update, and then choose on the update for Windows 7 for x64. Now, this is going to be depending on what base you're currently using. So click that, and from here, just simply download it, and it will automatically update your operating system on your Windows 7. And then just simply go into any available browser that you can use on your PC, and then just head straight into roblox.com, log in, and then just simply download the client so you can start playing on any experiences here. And that's it. That's how you play Roblox on Windows 7.